transparent sheer mesh try-on style dress.
Honestly, this material, this is so soft.
In this video, you will see my style. Enjoy watching.
Perfect for those looking of radiance to their style, to stand out and add a touch
To stylish and sparkling looks shiny.
Thank you so much for watching.